So this is the next job. Pardon me, as you can see, cornerstones off, bottom curb, the other cornerstone, the right hand curb, and also the headstone. The grave is 46-year-old. There's not much difference between the dates. Pardon me. The first burial was 1979. The next burial was 1981. So 2 years difference. But this, it's got to be cleaned up. The full curb set, cornerstones, headstone, and then the curbs have got to be reset. Cornerstones obviously reset. The headstone reset. Then they'll all want sealed with a breathable sealer. The customer doesn't want me to change the gravel. They're going to do that themselves. So although the grave will be nice and clean again, the headstone and the curbs, there'll still be dirty gravel unless the customer asks me to remove it, which I've asked in a message and I haven't had a reply yet. So we'll see what transpires. So I made a start just on the top of this curb. This has taken me about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 3/4. You'll see the bottom, the end curb is gone on the two cornerstones. I'm taking them away. I'll clean them at home. It's starting to get really, really windy, cold, and starting to rain now. So I'm just going to put that curbstone back in place so it looks okay. And I'll probably be back tomorrow. So I'm back from home. I've done the cornerstones and the end curb. They're not set, they're just cleaned. I'll be back tomorrow and try and clean the majority of it and start setting them in. So I'll keep you updated shortly. Well, this is day 2. Cornerstone, other cornerstone, end curb, they're actually in place, and so is this right hand curb and the headstone. It's been set with monument setting compound. That side of the curb's cleaned, and that side the curb's cleaned, which basically just leaves the headstone front, back, top and sides. That stakes there just overnight till the compound sets. Apart from the headstone, it wants the outside of that curb, and then the inside of that curb done, and that will be it. So I'll get back to you next time I do a little bit more. Cheers. So as you can see, the grave's about 95% complete now. Everything's been reset. About 99% cleaned. Just needs a quick going over again with day 2, which I'll come back probably tomorrow to finish it off. So yeah, you know, it's looking good. And the lady got back to me with regards to the old red gravel, asked me if I could get rid of it because her and her brother are going to replace it. The pot, I don't know if you've seen it at the beginning of the video, it looked absolutely knackered. It looked like old concrete, and she was going to go at the expense of buying a new one, and I told her I would get that back to a very, very nice condition, which, yes, it is. So I'll come back to you tomorrow. So that is the grave now complete. Well, complete from my end anyway. The customer, obviously, she's still got to get stones for the grave, chippings, but my work is actually done. Nice, and it stands out from a good distance as well. Hey, I'm about 300 feet away from the grave and it still stands out, so I'm happy with that.